Hi guys, here we are at the Hyatt Place Kyoto in Japan. I'm going to give you a little room tour. We're staying in a standard king bed, which we booked with our World of Hyatt points. Let me show you around. So here we are in room 324. And let me show you into the bathroom first, which has this sliding door. And next to it is a full-length mirror. So coming into the bathroom, you have your usual toilet in Japan with bidet. And here you have a little bit of storage. The room is not huge, but it's pretty well laid out. Here you have your hair dryer, an extra mirror, towels, toothbrush, hand soap, tissues. And through here we have the shower, and it's a shower only. And it does have shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And then to come back out here, when you first enter, you have 2 coat hooks as well as like a hanging closet area. These are 3 drawers, which one of these has pajamas. The other one has like air freshener and a shoehorn, shoe stuff, and a small safe if you're looking to put an entire laptop in there. That's not gonna work. And then coming through this way, you have your mini fridge, nothing in it. A little water carafe if you'd like to refill your waters. Only thing in the room is instant coffee and then hot tea with some cups. And then if you want like a fancy tea, a latte or a cappuccino, you can take your cup down to the lobby and they have coffee machines. So here they just have a hot water kettle and an ice bucket. Garbage. This is kind of a desk storage area. I think this is a humidifier under here. Little sofa with a table that you can move around with an extra stool here. And then over here you have your king bed. And again, it's not huge, but it's nice and new. Location is great in Kyoto. Here you have controls for the lighting as well as for chargers. And you can use American plugs while you're in Japan. You just have to make sure that they go to 100 volts. So things like iPhones are fine. Most electronics, but you can't just bring a regular hair dryer or curling iron or straightening iron. And then this side again, you have a little bit more storage. This does not open. And a charger. And then through here, this is our great view. Not a great view, but just a view of another building here, but at least it's nice and quiet and private. So what do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments. Will you be staying here on your trip to Kyoto, Japan? If you have any questions, comment below. And if you don't mind hitting the like button, subscribe, and we'll be doing more travel content in the future. Thanks, bye.